The next transaction, February 28th, received $960 from Jenny Guthrie in full payment of invoice number 1002, her check number 674. So because she is paying off her invoice, we need to go to the Receive Payments window. And then we're going to type in Guthrie's last name, G-U. We're going to tab to the amount field, 960. I'm going to tab to the date field, 02/28/19. And we're going to enter the check number, 674. And now notice, do you see this alert dialog box down here? It says overpayment. So we've got a check for $960, but invoice 1002 says she only owes us $800. So this is how you catch a lot of errors in the real world. What you would have to do in this case is you'd have to go back to the original paperwork to see if this invoice 1002 is correct. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close this window and not save. Do we want to record it? Nope. And then I want to go to the Customer Center, single click on Jenny Guthrie, and notice we're looking at all the transactions. So I'm going to double click her invoice 1002. And in the real world, you would need to check this versus the actual document to see if this transaction is actually correct. Now notice in the transaction description it says, when processing this check, you notice that the February 6th invoice you processed, which is what we're looking at here, was incorrect. We need to change the item sold from decorating services to design services. And then notice the amount field has updated to 960. So we've corrected this error. We're going to save and close. Do we want to save the changes? Yep. I'm going to go back to the home page, and now I can process that $960 check normally. So I'm going to click on Receive Payments, type in Guthrie's last name, G-U-T, G-U-T, type in the amount, $960, the date is 02/28/19. I've got the check box checked or selected, and then I'm going to go, the check number is what, 674, and then notice we've got the check mark here, and the most critical thing is this $960 matches the $960 here, and we no longer have that dialog box which is giving us a warning down here. So now we can save and close. So that's how you're going to find a lot of errors in the real world. You might enter something wrong into QuickBooks, and then later on when you receive a check from a customer or you're actually paying a bill, that's when you're likely to find the error.